spinning fishing reels are user-friendly, versatile, and ideal for beginners and pros alike. They offer smooth casting, easy line management, and work well for various fish types. Choose a reel with a strong drag system, durable build, and appropriate gear ratio for your target catch and fishing style. So, let's get started. Number 5. Piscifun Carbon X Spinning Reels. Smooth and powerful for saltwater and freshwater, this spinning reel is a top-tier fishing reel designed for both saltwater and freshwater anglers. Built with precision engineering, it delivers exceptional performance, whether you're targeting trophy fish or enjoying a casual day on the water. Key features: feather-light design, made with an all-carbon fiber body, rotor, and side plate, making it one of the lightest reels in its class. The 500 size model weighs just 5.1 ounces, reducing wrist fatigue during long fishing sessions. Consistent and powerful drag, equipped with 3 oversized carbon washers, delivering up to 33 pounds of drag power. A sealed rubber ring protects the drag system from water and dust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Silky smooth operation. Features 10+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings for ultra-smooth retrieves and enhanced corrosion resistance. Multiple retrieves for versatility. Offers a fast 6.2:1 gear ratio for quick line retrieval. The 1000 model provides a smooth 5.2:1 ratio, ideal for various fishing techniques. The Piscifun Carbon X Spinning Reel combines lightweight design, powerful drag, and ultra-smooth operation, making it a perfect choice for both serious anglers and casual fishermen. Whether battling big game fish or casting with family, this reel ensures reliability and performance in any fishing adventure. The next is Number 4. KastKing Speed Demon Elite, the world's fastest baitcaster. Built for power fishing, the KastKing Speed Demon Elite shatters expectations with its record-breaking 10.5:1 gear ratio, the fastest in the world. Designed for aggressive techniques, this reel delivers unmatched speed, zero drag slip, and tournament-grade durability for battling big fish in heavy cover. Key features: 10.5:1 ultra-high gear ratio, lightning-fast retrieval for power fishing dominance. Deadbolt spool lock system, eliminates drag entirely for 100% hookset power. Featherlight 6.7 Oz build. CNC machined aircraft grade aluminum frame with carbon side panels. 10+1 shielded bearings. Includes dual super speed spool bearings for long smooth casts. Dual braking system. Centrifugal brakes plus Demon Eye fine tuning for backlash free precision. Uncompromising power. The revolutionary deadbolt mechanism locks the spool completely. No drag slippage, even against monster fish. Perfect for punching mats, flipping heavy cover, or burning reaction baits. Engineered for performance. The rigid aluminum frame withstands extreme pressure while staying ultra-lightweight. 10 double-shielded stainless bearings ensure buttery smooth operation, whether casting or retrieving. The Speed Demon Elite redefines high-speed bait casting, combining raw power with precision engineering. It's the ultimate weapon for anglers who refuse to compromise on speed, strength, or control, making it ideal for bass, pike, and heavy cover specialists. It's a best for power fishermen who need instant line pickup, brutal strength, and zero drag fade. The next is Number 3. Penn Clash II Spinning Reel Powerhouse for Inshore Fishing. Built for saltwater anglers, the Penn Clash II combines lightweight agility with brute strength, making it ideal for shore and kayak fishing. Featuring CNC machine gears and an HT100 carbon fiber drag, it delivers smooth operation and unmatched durability against hard-fighting inshore species like bass, cod, and wrasse. Key features: ultra-lightweight 7 ounces, easy handling for all-day casting. CNC gear technology ensures precise alignment for long-lasting smoothness. HT100 carbon fiber drag provides consistent, powerful drag up to 15 pounds in larger models. 5:1 gear ratio balances speed and torque for versatile saltwater techniques. Hydrophobic line roller bearing repels water for corrosion resistance. Level line slow oscillation prevents line tangles for longer, smoother casts. Performance and durability. Engineered for harsh saltwater conditions, the Clash II's aluminum body offers strength without excess weight. Its sealed stainless steel bearings and anti-reverse system ensure reliable performance, even in rough weather. Ergonomics and versatility. The right-hand retrieve model sizes 1,000 to 5,000 suits different fishing styles, from light lure fishing to heavy inshore battles. The perfect line lay minimizes backlashes, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue. The Penn Clash II is a top-tier inshore reel that blends lightweight comfort with tournament-grade power. Whether casting from shore or fighting fish from a kayak, it delivers smooth drag, precision gearing, and saltwater-ready toughness. It's a best for inshore anglers who demand a lightweight yet rugged reel for bass, pollock, cod, and wrasse. The next is Number 2. Daiwa Cardia LT Spinning Reel, Lightweight and Smooth Performance. The Daiwa Cardia LT is a lightweight yet powerful spinning reel designed for anglers who demand strength, precision, and effortless operation. Built on Daiwa's LT Light and Tough concept, it delivers exceptional smoothness while remaining durable enough for freshwater and finesse fishing. Key features: ultra lightweight 170 grams, 6.1 ounces, reduces fatigue for all-day fishing. 5.1 gear ratio, ensures a steady, smooth retrieve for versatile techniques. 5 kilograms max drag, provides strong fish fighting power without compromising control. 6+1 ball bearings, enhances buttery smooth operation for flawless casting and retrieval. 64 centimeters winding length per turn, maximizes efficient line pickup. HGI light knob and 45 millimeters handle, improves grip and torque for better control. Performance and design. Engineered for sensitivity and responsiveness, the Cardia LT excels in finesse fishing and light tackle applications. Its lightweight magnesium body ensures easy handling, while the 6+1 bearing system guarantees silent, seamless performance. Durability and comfort. Despite its feather-light build, the reel remains durable thanks to high-quality materials. The ergonomic handle and multicolor design add both style and functionality. The Daiwa Cardia LT is a top-tier spinning reel that blends lightweight comfort with tournament-grade smoothness. Perfect for freshwater anglers who value precision, ease of use, and reliability in every cast. It's a best for finesse fishing, light tackle enthusiasts, and anglers seeking a smooth, fatigue-free experience. The next is Number 1. Shimano Curado DC Low-Profile Bait Casting Reel, Precision and Power. The Shimano Curado combines legendary durability with digital control braking technology, ensuring effortless, backlash-free casting. The system monitors spool speed 1,000 times per second, automatically adjusting brake force for maximum distance and accuracy, ideal for all skill levels. Key features: digital control braking ensures smooth, precise casts in any condition. 7.4 high-speed gear ratio, quick retrieval for fast-moving lures. Micro-module gearing delivers seamless power and smooth cranking. Stainless steel bearings and high drag system, reliable strength for big fish. Lightweight and durable, ergonomic low-profile design for all-day comfort. Performance and durability. Engineered for freshwater fishing, the Curado DC excels in windy conditions and with any lure type. Its advanced materials ensure long-lasting performance, while the left-hand Retrieve 150 size offers user-friendly handling. The Shimano Curado DC is a tournament-grade reel that blends power, precision, and smart braking technology. Whether you're a pro or a weekend angler, it delivers consistent, high-performance casting, making it a top choice for serious fishermen. It's a best for anglers seeking trouble-free, long-distance casting with superior control, so this is the best option for you to buy.